Hi friends, and welcome to Shop with Mimi. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here for a while, hello. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we're going to Five Below to check out all of their new summer items. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's just jump right into today's video. As soon as I walked in, one of the items to catch my eye was this dispenser with the metal stand included. It was $5 and it really looked like great quality, perfect for all your summer parties. And with grocery stores charging for bags here in California now, I noticed this reusable bag. It was really big and really nice, and I absolutely loved that it had a zipper at the top. And I also saw this really cute lemon cup. It was 56 ounces for $4. Perfect size to have while by the pool or just hanging out in the back. Speaking of hanging out, I also saw this cloth hammock. These were $5. They came in 4 different colors, I believe. I will go ahead and show you the rest on the other side. And over here on this side, I saw this other large reusable shopping bag as well that also had a zipper. Now you also can't have a pool party without some goggles, so they have $5 goggles. These were for children and adult sizes. They had a few styles and colors to choose from, and these are also perfect to have as backup if you have a pool or guests coming over and they happen to forget their goggles. And I also saw these 10 patio lantern lights. They're absolutely beautiful to go ahead and hang across your patio or your balconies. Definitely a pickup for summer. And I also saw these planters here. They were ceramic and $3. And I also saw these metal stools. It came in a navy, a mint green, black, and white. These were $5. They are meant to be a stool. However, you can use these as a side table out in your patio or your backyard, wherever you like. They also had this outdoor poof. It did only come in this design, and these here are $5. And right above these, they also had these beautiful cushions. They had 2 different colors, and this one here is a neon yellow with this beautiful diamond blue pattern. And here is the other pattern that they had. It was a navy with white. And I also came across these really cute little yellow backpacks. These were really mini sized. They were $5 with this beautiful little daisy on top. And I also saw these tennis shoes and thought they were just so perfect for summer with a little drawing of the sun. Love the colorful rainbow on the other side. Beautiful shoes for summer. And if that's not your thing, they also have this plain black one with the beautiful little floral laces on top. And they also had one that was just a basic all black shoe. And I also came across these biker shorts. They came in gray, white, and black. These were really nice material. They did seem like they could be see-through, but the black one was definitely my favorite. These were $5. And of course, some of my favorite shoe finds are at Five Below. These Birkenstock Wannabe shoes are such great quality. They're only $5 and they have so many different colors. They have the black ones, the iridescent, they have green, olive, whatever you're looking for, you can definitely find here. And right above those, they have these beautiful sun hats. I love this one here with the little leaf and the black ribbon around it. It looks really nice. They also had one that had a pineapple on the side. And one of my favorites is the one next to this one, this black one with the cherries. This is so cute, perfect for summer, and these were $5. Also, Five Below would be the perfect place to stock up on all your fun pool essentials, rink toss games. They also have floaties. I'll go ahead and let you guys look over this section and let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And I also came across another set of sun hats. These ones here had beautiful colors on the edges of them, and they also came in 3 different colors. And I also came across this $5 beautiful summer dress. I loved the coral color of this one here. And they also have these really beautiful black sandals that are very trendy right now. These were also $5. And they also had these other tennis shoes in white, red, gray, and black. They were sold out of the black, but these shoes are some of my favorite. And I also came across these beautiful sets. It was a skirt and a top. They had this white and gray striped one, which was absolutely beautiful. They have this black one with little floral prints all over it. They didn't have the top for this one. And I also saw a pink skirt with flowers. And they didn't have the top, unfortunately, for this one as well. But the next one that they had was this beautiful white and blue floral set. And this one did have a top, which made them so beautiful. So $10 for a complete outfit. Perfect. And I also wanted to go ahead and show you guys all of the different clothing options. They have sports bras, sweaters, leggings, hats. I haven't personally tried out any of the clothes at Five Below, but I have heard that they are great quality and they have really nice styles. This leggings here, everything is $5, so just keep that in mind the next time you're at Five Below and check them out. And I also came across this display of jewelry sets. They were $3.25 each. This one here was for Taurus. They were all the different zodiac signs. It came with a necklace, they had earrings, and different other jewelry pieces as well. I'll go ahead and go over this with you and show you all the different zodiac signs that they still had in my store. And I also came across another display of tennis shoes. I haven't seen these at Five Below before, so these are new. They had gray, a denim color, a white one, and a black one. And I also saw these beautiful summer dresses as well. They came in a pink and a blue, and I absolutely love these large scrunchies that they have at Five Below. They hold up your hair so well, especially if your hair is thick. And they also had some other type of jewelry here that was really beautiful, some hair bobby pins and a headband. I absolutely love that pink lace one. And I finally came across the summer flip-flop section. They had so many beautiful designs. They had these little flamingo floaties. I believe they're unicorns, I'm not too sure. They also had these floral ones, the snake print. I love the neon pink straps. They also had one that you could wear for 4th of July. And if none of those are your style, they also have this basic black one. It is really nice and really great quality as well. And these might not be summer related, but I still wanted to go ahead and show you guys that they still were carrying some of these fuzzy sandals. I absolutely love these. They're so comfortable and just $5. And I also came across these really beautiful neon orange sandals. These were really nice. They also came in 2 other colors. They had it in a neon pink and also a neon green that was so beautiful. Now, if you're going to be traveling this summer, they had these really large makeup bags. These were perfect. They were such a nice color, perfect size for all of your makeup essentials. If pink wasn't your color, they also have this beautiful black one, and they also have some see-through. They also have the storage box, which was $4.25. I have seen one at Dollar Tree for just $1, so I would definitely check them out before you go to Five Below. And I also found 2 more hats that I hadn't seen in the store yet, and these were absolutely beautiful, very trendy, nice way to spice up your beautiful little summer dress. And every summer, Five Below has these really nice summer bags. They're perfect to take to the beach, or if you're going on a trip, on a cruise, anything like that. They're a really nice size. And this is also where you can find different colors of their sandals. They also have some pool shoes over here that are really nice. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out all of the fun summer items at Five Below with me. Let me know which ones were your favorites in the comments, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.